What is the difference between direct and indirect objects? Whereas a subject is that which performs the action of the verb, a direct object is that which receives the action of the verb. He ran. He is our subject because it is performing the verb ran. He ran the race. Again, he is our subject because it is performing the action of the verb ran. Race is our direct object because it is that which is being run. What did he run? He ran the race. Let's try another example. He bought the tennis shoes. What is our direct object? Our direct object is tennis shoes because they are receiving the action of the verb bought. What did he buy? He bought the tennis shoes. Watch what I did there. When you're figuring out the direct object, ask yourself who or what is receiving the action of the verb. In this case, bought. Now let's talk indirect objects. Whereas a direct object is that which receives the action of the verb, the indirect object is for whom or to whom the action is being performed. It is that which is affected by the action indirectly. I bought the tennis shoes for him. I is the subject. Bought is the verb. Shoes is the direct object. Him is the indirect object. For whom did I buy the tennis shoes? I bought them for him. He is for whom the bell tolls. What is my indirect object? It's he, because he is for whom the action is carried out. Subscribe to Colburn Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.